Okay, so for the first four, all of these represent the velocity of a ship at sea, and they're all miles per hour. Now, if you notice, they all go by tens. Okay, we got to find the direction and maybe not the magnitude, just the direction. Yeah, all we're doing is the direction because we did the magnitude yesterday. So, they give you here the direction relative to east. It's always relative to the horizon. So, when you're finding the direction, you start at your starting point, you go straight out, and then up. So it forms a right triangle. This distance is 60. This distance is 10. So everyone knows if we did have to find the magnitude. Oh yeah, we do got to find the speed. So we are doing both, sorry. So the speed then, we use the Pythagorean theorem. 60 squared plus 10 squared, square rooted. And round to the nearest tenth, it's 60.8 miles per hour. And then we got to find a direction, which means we got to find the angle that's formed with the horizon, which is angle S. So again, all these vectors use tangent because you always know opposite and adjacent. Tangent of S is 10 over 60, opposite over adjacent. So in order to solve this, you move the tangent over. S is tangent inverse of 10 over 60.
9.5.
What is it? 9.5. It's going up, which is north, and to the right, which is east. 9.5 degrees. Sorry, you better put the degrees on there. Okay, so the next three are done just like that. Let me show you these here. It says the graph, or it says the draw it. We don't have to draw it. You're going to find three things. We don't need to copy them. We're going to write the component form of each vector and then find u plus v. So what you need to do, vector u, component form is, what is it? It goes right 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 1. Then you got to do vector v. V goes right 2 and up 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember the vectors, you put they're not rounded like a parenthesis. And then you got to find the sum, which is the easy part once you have these two. 6, 5. You just add the x's, add the y's. So each of these you'll have three things. Here again, it's doing the same thing as up here, it just doesn't have the graph. For 35, v plus w, you got to look up here. Here's v and here's w. So 1 and 3 is 4. 4 and 7 is 11. That's all you do for these. And then also, when you do these all fit together for the word problem up here, you don't need to draw them. You can just look at the diagram here to figure out. So write u in component form, just like you do up here, and v. Figure out what u plus v is. You don't need to draw it. Find the magnitude.